Hello, YouTubers and kaiju fans. This is Ultraman Chuck 1 doing a toy review on Bandai's Golza. Yeah, Golza. Okay, time to start the review. Okay. Golza first appeared in Ultraman Tiga, first fighting Melba, then Tiga with Melba. Eventually he wimped out and went into hiding until episode 16, but that was Fire Golza, and I won't do his review today. Well, actually, I'm not sure if there is a 6-inch Fire Golza. But he also did appear in Ultraman Dyna as Hyper Golza. Yeah, so now on to articulation. Arms can go 180 and legs can go 360. Yeah, articulation seems pretty basic. Yeah. Now on to detail. Detail is good. Yeah, detail is good. So, yeah, but it's good, not great. Well, for the head anyways, they got the armor correct. They got the red skin under the armor. Well, actually they did do the face pretty good. The skin on the face looks good. The crest looks good. Teeth, well, the tusks or whatever they are they're individually sculpted. But as for the rest of the teeth, no, they are not. There's some brown paint on the front of the claws, but on the palm and other areas that under the hand are well, they're just blue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna go on to sizing. But in the meantime, enjoy this song. Okay, here's Dark Zagi. Okay, size comparison isn't too well. From the way I remember it in the episode, Golza was just about tall as Tiga or a bit taller, so not too well, but this is Dark Zagi, so who in the hell cares about him? Now, here's Hedora. Yeah. I think Hedora, well, I don't remember the heights of these two, but I think Hedora was in his 50s or 60s, was in the 50s meter range or the 60s meter range. Can't remember. Same thing with Golza, I can't remember. But who in the hell cares about that? Go away, Hedora. And finally, Knackle. Again, I cannot remember. Hug. Hug. Ah, get off me. Okay, yeah. I guess this is good, but I don't know. And well, that's it for sizing. And well, rarity, it's common. Not like super common, like, oh, you can go into any Japanese store and find them. No. I mean, like, he can only, what, okay, for example, like, everybody goes on eBay and says, like, oh, Golza, he's every figure! No, he's just, well, common. And no, not Kamen Rider, just common. C-O-M-M-O-N, not K-A-M-E-N. Okay. I give this guy a 5 out of 7. No, wait. 6 out of 7. Yeah, 6 out of 7. So, I hope you enjoyed that review. So, see you next time, or sayonara.